What's up, guys? Today we're going to Bimini.
Where's Bimini?
Bimini is a little island.
Where?
About 7 miles, right?
No, the island is 7 miles.
Correct. That's what I said.
Where is it?
Where is it? It's just out in the water somewhere.
No, like what's it a part of?
It's part of the world, Earth. I don't know.
Or maybe the Bahamas.
Oh, okay. So as part of the Bahamas, we won tickets. Well, she won tickets off of
Hits 97.3. So thank you guys.
Thank you. Shout out to you guys.
Shout out to the FRS who's taking us to Bimini.
Yeah, so we will take you guys along for the ride.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go.
Take your phone. What you doing? Are you vlogging? Are you vlogging?
I'm attempting to vlog, but he's ruining my thing.
All right. So what do you think about Bimini so far?
When we get rich one day, we'll do it. He's drinking vodka, by the way. That doesn't happen. One day when we get
College
rich,
days.
I feel like this would be a good island to either retire or at least have a home on. It's very pretty. It's not populated, which is nice. There is a big resort, but there's also beautiful homes. People here, super friendly. I'm all about that. JJ tells me not to trust, and I understand that, but
Not the what?
trust everybody who's so friendly.
Oh no, I was just saying we left our stuff out while we were in
I
the
leave
water.
my stuff out when I'm at the beach normally. Anyways, we're having a good time. So this is probably our last big date vacation till we have some important news to tell you guys. So stay tuned for that. Hint, hint.
Hint, hint. What?
Hashtag upgrade.
Upgrade.
That's all I gotta say.
For sure.
That's gotta leave you guys in the dust somehow. Shout out to my patrons, Getting Weird with Alan and the other one.
Geek humor.
Thanks for the $1 you gave us.
Thank you.
It was a tip today at Bimini. Even though JJ's card got declined because he has Bank of America. So, thanks for nothing. Anyways, we're going to the pool next. It's getting a little cloudy, but the view's still pretty, so who cares? We're on vacation, we still have drinks, so, right?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss. Don't kiss me on the cheek. Who am I? Your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Fuck. One day. That's another hashtag maybe upgrade coming soon. Alright, love you.
Love you. Not naked.
I'm feeling hungover.
Hungover already? We're not even done with the day.
I'm old. I'm tired. We've been up since 6 in the morning.
It's true, it was a long day. It was a fun little vacation, one day.
That's all I got.